Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IAS Academy. So today in this session I would like to discuss one of the most important issue which is also there in the newspaper and that can also be important for your UPSC Prelims 2024 examination. As we all know that recently Iran has attacked on Israel. So as we all know that Israel has Iron Dome and Arrow, then Russia has S-400, United States of America has THAAD. Now what does India have to protect itself? So this video is on basically with respect to India's defense capability. Clear? So I would like to tell you the phases or the stages how India will protect itself in terms of war or crisis situation. So this video is on the defense capability of India. So first of all, let me tell you how India's missile defense system will work. So there are different stages in which you can understand how India's missile system can work. So let me tell you the first important thing, because India always use no first use policy. So first stage, when enemy missile launches, then India's Air Force AWACS airborne warning and control system, they alert control center. And in the third step, long range tracking radar. Okay, now this long range tracking radar India has taken from Israel Green Pine. Okay. Now this radar actually traces the velocity and the direction of enemy missiles. Now in the fourth step, as missiles comes closer, so second radar, which is a French made, so French made multifunction fire control radar, this radar will lock on to it. And in the fifth step, you will see that interceptor missile launches. Now after this interceptor missile launches, then hostile missile will get destroyed, and this interceptor missile, remember this thing, this interceptor missile will fly towards the enemy missile, and this is guided by onboard thermal radars, and this is Russian made. So India has taken these different things from different countries. That is why government of India has started Make in India program in terms of defense as well. Clear? Now apart from this, India has two-tiered ballistic missile defense system. Now two-tiered this ballistic missile defense system. So the first is Prithvi air defense. Now this Prithvi air defense, as you can see here, now why this is important, because this defense missile system can intercept missiles at 50 to 80 kilometers of altitude. Second is operational range. It varies from 300 to 500 kilometers. Clear? So this is very important in terms of India's defense capability. Clear? So India uses two-tiered ballistic missile defense system. Now second one is, as you can see, that this advanced air defense system. Now advanced air defense system, why it is important? Because this defense system can intercept missiles up to 40 kilometers of altitude, and second important thing, its operational range is up to 300 kilometers. Getting my point? Now apart from all these things, India is also having this Akash. Now Akash, which is an indigenous area defense missile system. ये indigenous India का defense missile system है, and this missile is surface to air missile. As you can see here, this missile is surface to air missile and it has a range of 25 kilometers. Now for what purpose Akash can be used? It can neutralize aerial targets like fighter jets को neutralize किया जा सकता है, then cruise missiles and also air to surface missiles. Clear? Now apart from this Akash, India also has Barak 8. So India has taken this Barak 8 defense system. Now this system is jointly developed by India and Israel. Clear? So Israel is India's most important defense partner after Russia. Clear? Because from 2014 onwards, India has actually diversified its defense suppliers. Clear? Not only now, India is not only dependent on Russia, also India has diversified its demand from different other countries. Clear? Now, apart from this thing, you can see that Barak 8 defense system, which was jointly developed by India and Israel, and this is a long range anti-air and anti-missile naval defense system. Now, this missile is very important because this missile is used to protect our maritime ships, and its range up to 70 kilometers. So, as you can see here, the defense capability of India. Now, apart from these things, I would like to compare the this defense range with Israel capabilities. Clear? So, there are different systems of defense in terms of Israel also. So, which was there in the newspaper, as you can see here, that this Iron Dome, which I have mentioned just now in the beginning of this session. So, Iron Dome, this is a short range missile. Getting my point? Then David Sling, this is a mid-long range missile, and then the third Arrow 2, this is like ballistic missile threat, and then Arrow 3. So this is like the comparison range. Okay, so you can compare Israel defense system with India. Clear? Now, apart from this, I missed one point, that with respect to this SAMAR, SAMAR. Clear? So, I missed this also. Okay, that SAMAR. Now, this SAMAR is an air defense system. ये क्या है? Air defense system. This is an air defense system. Now, apart from this, its operational range. अब इसकी operational range क्या है? Its operational range is 10 to 20 kilometers. Its operational range is 10 to 20 kilometers. So, this is an air defense system. Now, yes, we have purchased S-400 also, getting my point, but these things I would like to discuss in this Defense India program. Getting my point? This is a kind of made in India defense system. These things comes under made in India defense system. Clear? So, why this question? Because recently Iran attacked against Israel, and the crisis in Middle East is vulnerable because there are various events which is going on, like in October 2023. Now, in this Gaza, because of those Hamas terrorists, they attacked against Israel from southern part of Israel. Now, this Iran attack. Getting my point? So, this West Asia is in a flux situation. Getting my point? So, these questions can be asked in your prelims examination 2024. So, I hope this session is beneficial for all of you. Thank you so much.